Not all content deserves a repost. This is the filter I use to cut weak posts and focus on what drives results. If you're tracking views, likes, saves, and repost data, you're halfway there. On our content library, we've added a column over there on column Q called decision, and we're going to use 3 clear tags: keep, cut, test. And these metrics are going to look at 3 key things: saves and comments. If it's getting shared or discussed, it stays. Repost performance. Did it actually improve the second time I posted it? And then the quiet winner. Was it surprisingly effective? Now, the way we set up the decision column is we're going to look at 3 things: quiet winner. And if it's yes, it stays automatically. It's a keep. If it's not, then we're going to move over and we're going to look at views and saves. And then we're going to create a threshold based on whatever you believe is your threshold. Right now, I have it at 300 views and 5 saves. If it doesn't meet that, then it gets cut. But if it does, then it will stay in the test column and we can try again. And then once you've labeled a few posts, you can start to use the filters across row 1 to spot patterns in your cuts, find quiet winners to repost, and eliminate high effort, low reward content. This system makes my content better with less guesswork. Comment cut, and I'll send it over to you right away. Thanks for watching.